Yeah, I get issue I want to discuss again. I get issue I want to talk about. Several things don't dey go wrong for that Nigeria as a country. Yeah, I believe say na Yoruba and Hausa dey cause am. Hausa and Yoruba na because the hardship wey Nigeria dey face. If that is not the truth, why na no dey fit allow me Igbo man be a president? Wetin dey there? Igbo man no be still Nigeria. I see Igbo not in Nigeria. Why una dey make things dey difficult for the Igbos? Na Igbo side wey una don suffer pass despite the fact say we can survive any situation. Una wan still come carry oppress us like kill us mo no even dey existence. E no fair na. All those Okalu came out at that time say he wan be Senate president. Although he has his own flaws, una still carry am go give another person. Una just dey marginalize the Igbos like say we no even follow. Why? Hausa and Yoruba follow dey cause this case. You know why? Hausa man ready to see him brother suffer. Go for the north, na them suffer pass. Dem get governor, dem get better people, but they are suffering. The Muslim, the northern part are the worst people suffering in Nigeria. They don't care because they dey born children everywhere, children. But Igbo man, some of the Igbos they can use their head, they can use their intelligence. Let's say if I born 2 children, I can maintain these 2. They will just born 2. Not be the Igbo now we no get sense again because of wetin I don't do them. They no say no hope again now. They will just dey born children. One of the children can be better something for them tomorrow. That is what they want. They want the children to sort them out. They don't want to sort for their child because of what the government don't turn into. When I give Igbo chance, make them rule. Igbo are still Nigerians. We all are Nigerians. Why do they marginalize us so deeply? Why do they do us like this? They treat us unwise, unfair. What do we do to deserve this marginalization? What do we do? What do we do? Make someone come explain to us why Igbo man not be president. I will keep quiet. I will not say again. We need to understand what happened. What really transpired that made they don't want us to be among. Is it a crime? Them bomb me into Igbo land. I'm a native of Igbo land. Did I ask for it? I found myself in that place, and you don't want to give me chance. It's not fair. It's not fair. Nigerians, it's not fair. We say we are united, we don't change national anthem, unity still dey inside, peace still dey inside, brothers, motherland. But it's not reflecting in our attitude. It's not showing in the way we act. You can't allow one side of the tribe not to participate, and yet you are calling yourself unity. You can't be united that way. That is not unity. You are dividing. You are diversifying yourself. Because Igbo man is not an Hausa man, you know what allow him be president. Since when Nigeria has become only one time Igbo man don't rule that country. It's not fair. Hausa and Yoruba. Like I said, I don't go get issue. If Hausa and this Yoruba, they are doing their work well. Yoruba man came down. Obasanjo was there, Yoruba man. He came down, he put Hausa man. Hausa man died in the seat. Hausa man died for that seat. When I carry a German put. The German himself, just because his blood is related to the Igbos so far. He did a better thing. When I want to oppress him, see the oppressor when I give good luck. When I oppress good luck time, when you know that man stronger, he for die for that seat. But you see the blood when carry, that blood speak in his body, in him. So I beg Nigeria now they carry this matter countable. I beg, when I give Igbo men chance, make them rule that country. Nothing will happen, nothing will spoil. Igbo man will make the whole Nigeria unite. Yes. And I don't want more rule, I don't want to give us freedom. Igbo man say one go on his own, you know what men go. Oh yeah, a lot of men be president, you know what men be president. What do you want from him? What do you want from the person? Why are you enslaving so much people? Because of your irresponsible thinking. Our forefathers don't cause mayhem since die finish. When I see they continue that pattern, we can't accept that way. My father did what he did, me I will do what I'm doing. Anything that I see will benefit the people around me and myself, I will do it. Nigeria is suffering. Come to the step down. Let P2B come out and rule again. Let P2B try. You don't try. It's not working. You don't go vacation. Leave Nigeria, make them die. You will come out. Not be so. Then they do something. That's not how to run a country. You can't be there as a leader. Be there. Support your people. Anything that is not working well, you put your hand, your effort, push it, make it work harder. Now you carry your wife, make sure they donate money everywhere. Your wife, now her job now, donator. Very soon she go donate blood. Donate money, 1 billion. Where should they get the money from? You guys are rich for God crying out loud. Make Nigeria great again. Tinubu, you go step down, oh, you go step down, I promise you. You will surely step down from that seat. You will step down because you can't take the thing anymore. People that are just buying anyhow. You guys are just sitting there, eating money, traveling up and down, going vacation. Now, what they call you, you can't do? Is that what you rigged yourself into the presidency to do? Be wise, oh, be wise. I said, man, your boy, anonymous. Besides.